In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create subtasks and task hierarchies in Trello. Start by opening Trello and signing into your account. Once you're in, open the board where you want to organize your work. This is the board where you'll build out your parent tasks and the smaller subtasks underneath them. Open the card you want to use as the main parent task. Inside that card, click Checklist. This is the quickest way to start breaking a larger task into smaller pieces. Enter the name of your first subtask, then click Add. Continue adding checklist items for each subtask you want to create. At this stage, you're basically outlining the smaller actions that belong under the main task. Now, if one of those checklist items needs more detail, you can turn it into its own Trello card. Open the subtask item, click the three-dot menu and select Convert to Card. This gives that subtask its own space, which is useful when it needs comments, attachments, due dates, members, or its own checklist. After the new card is created, drag it into the list where it belongs on your board. For example, you might place it into Do, Doing, or any custom list that matches your workflow. This helps keep your board visually organized and makes it easier to track progress. Next, link the new subtask card back to the parent card so the hierarchy stays connected. Open a subtask card, click the three-dot icon, then choose the option to share and copy the link. After that, go back to the parent card, paste that link into a checklist item, and click Add. This creates a clean connection between the parent task and the child card, so you can jump between them easily. Repeat this process for each subtask you want to expand into its own card. As you do this, you'll gradually build a clear task hierarchy with a main card at the top and linked subtask cards underneath it. At this point, your basic structure is complete. If this helped, hit like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. To make the system even easier to manage, use labels to categorize parent and child tasks. Labels can help you quickly tell the difference between planning items, urgent work, or tasks that belong to specific teams. You should also assign members to both the parent cards and the subtask cards so responsibilities are clear. Set due dates on parent cards and subtask cards whenever needed. This gives you a high-level deadline for the main task, while also helping you manage the timing of each smaller step. As work moves forward, drag cards through your list to track progress at every level. And if a subtask card still has multiple smaller actions inside it, add a checklist there too for even finer detail. That way, Trello stays organized without becoming cluttered. And that's it. You've successfully created subtasks and task hierarchies in Trello. Congratulations!